I love Osage orange wedges. So for a wedge, I decided I'm going to use Osage orange because I think it's going to match well with the Aquafortis color that it's going to give off. One more. Get the 24 grit belt back. Ready to go. Beautiful wedge. Look at that. I am ready to see this thing oiled. I am so ready. Just looking at the wood without the oil, it's just, holy crap, it's absolutely stunning. I am speechless. This thing is sick. Please, please share this one because it is an absolute stunner.